Well, I'll just show you what happened. I was putting the bike on off the center stand because we were going to change the tightness on the back chain, and when I took it off the stand, that's what I was greeted to. You can't quite see that. Flat at the back. Well, at least I had other plans next weekend anyways, but now we have punctured both the tyres. Front one's back in action obviously, but that's how it goes. Oh well. To be fair, the back one is far more worn than the front one. If you look at the middle of the back tyre compared to the front, so might as well get the whole thing replaced. Since I output that video exposing big air at the airfield, I've had 2 tyre punctures, so I'm beginning to think big air is out to get me for exposing them. There's a conspiracy afoot, I tells you.